Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another reaction. We've got Jay Slime back on the channel today, and we are listening to his song, Memories. Alright, let's jump right in.
Yo, what's up, Rhino?
Iconic.
Girl, all my life, my memories die.
Hey.
I don't know why. My heart can't take it, my soul. I wanna give you my soul. I wanna give you my all. But girl, my heart can't take it. All my life, my memories die. I don't know why. My heart can't take it, my soul. I wanna give you my soul.
Hey.
I wanna give you my all. But girl, my heart can't take it. Living my life so free. What would you do without me? Cause you can't even make it. And we can fall in love too. I really wanna trust you. Can you keep it about two? You don't even know me. You tell me that you love me, baby. You don't even show me. You don't even write me. You just wanna fight me. I don't even sweat it, girl, cause I can do you grimy. A perfect world, far away from this earth. I know my worth. I'm the king on this earth. Pull up, go skirt. I've been putting in work. Put my pain in the dirt. Then proceed to hurt. All my life,
I like this part.
my memories die. I don't know why. My heart can't take it, my soul. I wanna give you my soul. I wanna give you my all. But girl, my heart can't take it.
Hey, okay. That song has some really good parts in it. I don't know if I'm just tripping. Sometimes I need to re-listen to songs to get my full opinion on them. But my first reaction is it had some slow dips in there where I don't know, I kind of just lost. I was like going for the ride, but then it just dropped off. But then it picked back up again. I really like those parts. You could feel the energy. But hey, Jay Slime has some catchy songs. And y'all already know what to do. Like and subscribe, send us some more submissions, and we'll be back with another reaction.